What I'm going to demonstrate today is how to order an item from Punchout catalog when I'm sitting out in a location trying to fix something and all I have is the part in front of me, and show how easy it is to find material and place that order. When you first start the app, you're presented with a series of tiles from search through TechVault. I'm not going to explain all the tiles, but I'm going to go directly to Punchout. Now, Punchout is used when you say, I need to find something that I typically don't buy. So in this case, we're going to look for a bulb that we've never seen before. We're at the site, and we're going to say, I wonder if Grainger carries this bulb. We hit the Grainger button. That launches the Grainger catalog app independently while our app is still being loaded and sitting there. We then start typing in the item that we think we want to order. And I'm looking at where am I getting this? I'm getting it by looking at the actual item in front of me. And lo and behold, it goes and it populates the item as I'm searching based on what material is available in the catalog, doing type aheads. Before I even finish it, I see that the 40W841-4PRSIS is what I'm looking for. I go and select it. I confirm that is exactly what I wanted to order. I select it again. I add it to my cart. I look at the cart, confirm that it's what I wanted, and I'll submit the cart. Grainger confirms it's what you wanted, and they thank you for the order. We go back, and lo and behold, there's the item sitting in our ZEUS Ordering app. Now, let's assume I'm in a hurry for it. I want to know if I can get this right away, so I say I want to pick this item up. I hit the pickup button. I pull down. Notice the green dot. The green dot indicates that that's available immediately for pickup. The yellow dot means it could be there in 24 hours according to Grainger protocol. I go and I select the store that I want to drive to pick it up. They're in rank order by geography. I submit the order. And I get an order confirmation, and lo and behold, the order's placed. I can now go drive over to Grainger and pick that item up. It's as simple as that. It saves you lots of time and energy, and it stops the idea of driving location to location or phone calling location to location to try to find an item. Hope this helps. Any questions, feel free to contact SDI. Thank you.